Dear students, we have been talking about the air carriers, and now we will be looking at the cost structure for the airline industry. So, in terms of passengers as well as cargo, there is a high variability between the variable cost and the fixed cost because it actually depends upon the usage. ये usability पे depend करता है, load factor पे depend करता है. Load factor in terms of passengers भी हो सकता है, in terms of cargo भी हो सकता है. So, what do we have with us? That the airport and airways usage fees are variable in nature, and fuel cost it is approximately like 34%, and labor cost, that is the 25%, are major elements of operating cost. तो आपके पास जो variable cost है उसका जो major element है, that is the labor cost as well as the fuel cost. Fuel cost is obviously, that is an important factor. So operating costs vary by different types of aircrafts used. So in that scenario, आपके पास different types of aircrafts थे, तो उनकी usability or operating cost would be actually dependent upon, let's say, fuel consumption would be different for different aircrafts. Similarly, the labor cost would be different for different aircrafts. Passenger aircraft hai, taking some cargo, labor cost would be different. The plane which is primarily for the cargo and taking some of the passengers, the labor cost would be different. Then low fixed cost structure is attributable to publicly provided airways and terminals. So fixed cost is not that high because if the infrastructure is there, that is the terminals and the airplanes, or that scenario is actually publicly provided by the government. So the fixed cost is not that high. Or I would say the capital cost or the capital structure, once ये implemented है, तो उसके बाद the cost would not be that high. If you see the description here, it would be the short-run economies of plant size and utilizations are actually significant in the air carrier industry. So short-term or short-run economies को देखा जाता है. Economies of scale would be actually the short-run economies of scale. वो plane size पर भी depend कर रही है और उसकी utilization. So utilization factor, which is the load rating here, वो उस पर भी depend कर रहा है. तो economies of scale is actually an outcome of the economies of large-scale operations as well as economies of density, that is regarding the utilization as well. So what is the scenario here? Economies of scale for aircrafts and integrated communication network that will give you the overall economies of scale. The inability to inventory unused seats indicates existence of economies of scale for aircraft. जब short run economies of scale की बात की गई है, तो that means it's different. इसमें inventory को store नहीं कर सकते आप. Inventory store इसलिए नहीं कर सकते if a seat is not reserved in some plane, or let's say I have the portion of cargo is not reserved, cargo नहीं जा रहा उसमें, it's the unused resource or unused inventory. आप उसे store नहीं कर सकते, that is lost forever. It's same like a hotel, एक होटल की तरह ही है और जहाँ पे revenue manage करना पड़ता है. If a room is not booked for that day, particular day, that is actually a lost revenue for you. So revenue managed in जो है वो scenario वो आपके पास airline industry में भी है. Ticket के prices और cargo rates could actually change. तो price discrimination आ जाती है जैसे जैसे time close होता जाता है for that carrier or that passenger airplane उसके जाने के, तो उस वक्त the time would be such that the price would go higher, or in some cases it can come down as well, depending upon the congestion of cargo going or the passengers going in on that plane. Sufficient demand must exist. That is the important part, because the operating cost would only be fulfilled, or it can only be redeemed if you have a sufficient demand. तो इसके लिए sufficient demand होना ज़रूरी है. अगर demand नहीं है तो you cannot manage the revenue. तो economies of scale is obviously depending upon the demand. Demand अगर होगी तो economies of scale could be achieved. Or economies of density, it would be achieved from having significant volume between an origin destination pair. So what is that you should have a significant volume that would be moving from the origin to the destination. Otherwise, economies of density would not be achieved. That means I still have space for some cargo and I am not being able to actually fulfill it. So that is also required. तो ये दोनों चीजें आउटकम है. आपको economies of density को भी achieve करना पड़ता है and you have to achieve economies of scale as well so that large scale operations की overall economy को achieve किया जा सके. Here we have actually noted one important aspect, that economies of scale or economies of density would actually be dependent upon the size of the demand, and you need to actually manage it. Price discrimination is important here. और जो सर्विस आप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं उसके लिए आप you need to discriminate it, and that is why airlines are considered to be an important part of the revenue managed industry. Thank you.